with that said, today you're going to be working with liquid nitrogen. And liquid nitrogen is really, really cool. But the thing is, when people hear the first liquid nitrogen, they freak out and they go, oh my God, this is dangerous, right? They think danger, and it can be dangerous. The atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen. Right now, any type of movement you're doing, you are touching nitrogen. You're touching 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% everything else. So to think that nitrogen is like this scary thing.
To start it off would be to make ice cream. Now, there's a couple different varieties that we can make. You guys chose cookies and cream, but there's still some things that we can do differently. You guys can have what's called a custard base, which has some eggs to it, or the milk base. Literally the only difference is the eggs, okay? So, half and half, heavy whipping cream, and sugar, okay? So, right? So you pour 3 cups. That's 2, so 1 more. There's my 3rd. You want to make sure you shake them up, because sometimes they, especially the heavy cream, gets a little bit lumpy, and it's fine. It doesn't mean it's gone bad as long as you're watching the expiration dates, but it just does that because it's got a higher fat content. This is already 1 cup in there. I need to get it to another cup, which means I need more. All right. So, cup of sugar, cup of heavy cream, 3 cups, half and half. Take it, mix it together. This is a basic ice cream base. That's all that goes in it. From here is where you're going to add stuff. So, do you guys want a custard base with eggs?
Yeah.
Or no?
What's the difference? No.
Eggs.
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you want eggs. Raise your hand if you don't. All right, no eggs it is. Okay, so we take this. We add about a teaspoon of vanilla. We all know I'm not going to measure a teaspoon. Just not happening.
I'm just going to say the eggs taste really good.
That's true. We made that first three. But they chose. I might make one of the other ones just so they can see the difference. All right. So in the meantime, I need a volunteer. Wash your hands. So he's going to stir that, but since I know that it should sit for at least an hour, up to 8 hours, I already made some. So put the bowl on here. Paddle. Then we get the ice cream base. Okay, so milk base. This one does not have the eggs, and it's been sitting since this morning about, I don't know, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock when I got it. So pour some base in here. And you're going to love this because when that's done, then you're going to pour it in there and put it back in the refrigerator. But you need to let me know when that's done. So, cookies and cream. Your options are birthday cake Oreos or regular Oreos. So, okay, birthday cake Oreos have the yellow cookie, and then you got a funfetti filling center. Take 1 cup of Oreos, dump in. Really, really complicated. Yeah. Yep. No, Mr. Chamberlain did for me, actually. Yeah, it was really awesome. So, yeah, you're cool. So, we take the lovely Oreos, we dump them in. Is there anything else we want to put in them?
Chocolate.
We can have some chocolate chips. Okay. Yeah, you're just like the 7th graders last period. All right, so I'm going to put a hand. All right. No. So, then, always lock, right?
Yeah.
So, lock it, then you're going to turn it on. You're going to let it mix for a minute so that way it all gets broken up. And the paddle attachment is still going to break up those chocolate chips, right? Or not chocolate chips, I'm sorry. The Oreos. So, turn it on, let it go. Then we put our lovely gloves on for safety and our goggles on. He's going to pour the liquid nitrogen in here, I'm going to pour it in there. Okay. All right, so you can touch the fog once it gets to you, but not until then. So we take it and we slowly pour it in here.
Yeah.
It'll get there.
It's really cold though.
Well, we can cover that, yeah.
Is it like triathlon?
Yeah.
The fog is cold, yes. You can touch the fog now that it's all in there. Oh yeah, let's see if it's frozen.
Yes, please.
And now it's frozen.
So you see what it does to a liquid, turns it into yumminess.